Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're having an awesome day. So I just wanted to give you a quick report on the SBF FTX trial. As the trial goes on, we are hearing some crazy reports about what went on behind the scenes. Some of this would shock you, some of this may not shock you. It just depends on how much you already know, I guess. And yeah, it's a lot to unravel. Before we get into it, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's get into our video. So, Caroline Ellison is still on the stand. She testified about SBF using FTX's traders' Bitcoin to keep the Bitcoin price suppressed under 20K. Excuse me. So Bitcoin in the last bull run failed to hit $100,000 during the 2021 bull market because defunct exchange FTX kept selling Bitcoin. This is what one analyst claims. There's new testimony from Caroline that paints a picture of market manipulation. So Caroline is the former CEO of Alameda Research, and they reportedly told the court that Bankman-Fried asked her to sell Bitcoin should the spot price breach $20,000. So this was done using customer funds, which neither had the right to deploy. So the entire Bitcoin bull run could have been adversely affected, according to one analyst. So we also know about stock to flow, um, the Bitcoin price model. So Bitcoin still reached an all-time high of 69,000 in November that year, but as time predictions called for much larger numbers. So the stock to flow Bitcoin price model. Um, so the anonymous entity known as Plan B gave a Bitcoin price target of up to $288,000 per Bitcoin during the current halving cycle. The worst case scenario would be around 135,000 by December of 2021. Neither of those happened, not even close. Bitcoin below 34K triggered by Elon Musk's energy fund in China mining hack is down. So there's also a more fundamental reason that we see witness in June and possibly July. My worst case scenario for 2021. So August about 47K, September 43, and then up to December at 135K. So Bitcoin failed to reach those levels, and it looks like my highlighter highlighted everything here, so just bear with me. So Bitcoin did fail to reach those levels. Stock to Flow and Plan B himself both saw considerable public criticism over that. Well, Plan B continues to give optimistic outlooks on where Bitcoin is headed. The SBF debacle is fast becoming a source of amusement on social media. So there's people tweeting about it as well. Um, so then we go over here and we check this one out. So this is Caroline. What what have they done to her? She looks like she's about 50 years old in this photo. Um, she also revealed that they were trying to bring down Binance with SBF. So she revealed that his to-do list included an intriguing task to get regulators to bring down Binance. So I think we all kind of knew that that was going on because of CZ Binance um, did out their holdings or whatever, and did start the collapse. I shouldn't say he started it, but he revealed the information that started the collapse of FTX. Um, she also admitted to negotiating a staggering 10 billion in debt. When asked about the source of these funds, FTX explained that they came from its customers. This led to a heated argument with Sam, who accused Ellison. Sam was screaming that it was my fault, she said, adding that the confrontation left him in tears. She also pointed out that it was Sam's investments that put them in a dangerous situation. He had lists, and the list, things that Sam is crazy about, things that he might have wanted or whatever. And it also included raising funds from a Saudi prince and enticing regulators against Binance. At one point, Sam had ambitious plans to buy Snapchat and trade Japanese government bonds. This all sounds to me like a bunch of little rich kids had way too much money in their hands, had access to too much money, and they didn't know what they were doing. This is what this sounds like. I mean, they did know what they were doing in a sense, but I think they thought that they could, make it back or hide it or something. They were going to use the money to make all this money and to to buy all these things that they always wanted. And yeah, the things just did not go according to plan. They got caught, and now they're throwing each other under the bus. I mean, it's something to watch. All right, well, that's what I got for you in this wrap up. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.